Hello everyone, and welcome to another drawing walk-around video. I meant I said that. And I have drew the butt. And this is butt 3430 at Node, a 2019 Cummins B6.7 handicap with the Cummins B6.7 engine. And yet, I had not done a walk around video for a while, so no worry guys, I still making some videos. Well, in fact, I did 4 of them this morning. I did 2 more, which I had not put the other 2 undone in the afternoon yet. So stay tuned for a real live busted tomorrow, y'all. And catch you guys in my next short.